Hey guys, in this site from 24/7 everything, hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Samsung M31 Prime edition. So in this particular video we'll be going to see how to resolve all the underlying issues related to network related problems and so on. So before we jump into this particular video will surely help if it is related to software information or software related problem. If it is a like hardware related problem, then you have to visit any nearby store, be it mobile store, maybe Samsung authorized center and so on. So let's begin with that. So at this moment I am already connected to a Wi-Fi, but let's assume that it is not working and it has been working perfectly fine on any other phone. And so I just want to reset my network settings. So I'll be tapping on settings and afterward I'll be moving to the bottom where I'll see about phone. Then again to the bottom where I'll see reset. I'll tap it here. Now afterward you will see one option like reset network setting. Just tap it here. Before that, let me show you that it is saying that reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other network settings to their default. So just tap it here and afterward it will say this will reset all network settings including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth and so on. So now keep one thing in mind, like if you are like if you remember all the password related to Wi-Fi whatsoever you are set on your phone, sometime one has set for the office, home and whatsoever. So all those will be reset if you are then you have to re-enter it. If you know those, then and only then I'll recommend this part. Otherwise you will say that brother afterward I'm unable to connect the Wi-Fi because I just lost the password, I was not aware about this. So that can't be undone. And apart to this, like if you have paired any device with Bluetooth, those will also be removed and so on. So if you are good to go with these things, then I'll recommend to tap on reset settings, and then if it will ask you for the pin, just enter it. It's your mobile pin. It will show you the last warning or last prompt like all network settings will be reset. This action can't be undone. If you are sure, just tap it here and it will show network settings have been reset. Now let me show you. Like my Wi-Fi is like earlier it was connected and now it is showing. If I'll be moving here, now it will show me a Wi-Fi, but if I'll be tapping it here, then it will say that you have to enter password because it has reset all the settings related to the network. And if you want, you can even restart your phone after resetting the network setting, but again it is just needed for 1 or 2%, not more than that. So I hardly recommend that part. So this was all from my side related to how to resolve the all I would say software related problems with respect to networks or network settings. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.